the Bradley family is not here, so I'm gonna put baby Courtney's mobile. I'm gonna turn it into a fire alarm instead, so Courtney can get scared and she can die from loud noises. You don't know who I am. I'm Zombi Penilope Percy. My name is in Russian, and I'm from Russia. Okay. This is done. Let's use it. 3, 2, 1, test.
Shut up and sleep. You all are morons, and you are too old for mobiles. We will call DCFS.
Yes, this will be worth it. Oh no, the Bradley family is almost home. But jump out of the window. Mommy loves Courtney. Yes, she does. 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 Okay. This.
Shut up and sleep. You all are morons, and you are too old for mobiles. We will call DCFS.
That's the wrong sound. Oh no. Who put this? It wasn't me. I promise you, Courtney. Let's check the security camera. But I'll change it to mobile. Okay. Mobile setup. Like this. That's. Okay. I'll check the security camera. Oh no. I need some flying board. I have a flying board. I really can't stand them. They're so thick that I can never fall. Justin, come here! What's that? Did you put the mobile as a fire alarm sound effect? No. Who was it? I'm gonna check the security camera. Look. What? Wait a minute. Was it you? It was Zombie Penelope by Bella. She programmed her. Okay. I need to be to a superhero. Where can I transform? It's 0 time. I can't waste any time. How could I turn into a superhero without the Omnitrix? Yes, because I had a power that I could whisper. Superpower, go. If you didn't hear me, it was superhero, go! Let's go.
Det är sommar på station.
Ja. Jag försöker göra en video. Okej. Sorry. I was caught by Mom. She was trying to get my attention. But I'm gonna get the robot costume for Bella. Do you really think that I can defeat you? Yes. If you don't, then I can't live. I knew it. I'll get a lighter power. Wait a minute, you're a giant. Bella says Just in time! Just in time!
Snabba cyklar i formation. Konsulter och direktör.
Superpowers. Hiya! Ho! Ha! Ah! One combo, two combo, three combo. I'm getting smaller. Pew, 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 pew. Nobody can defeat me. Ha! Thanks for watching the video. Hope you like it. And don't forget to subscribe until the okay comes. It is a episode of Penelope and Friends. Right, let's go. Bye.